Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to do Snap Circuits Junior today, Project 1. So Project 1 looks like this. Here it is on the instructions, and it's called Electric Light and Switch. So this is what you need. You need B1 with 2 AA batteries. You need 4 2s and 1 3 and 1 S1 switch and 1 L1. So when you press the switch, this happens. See, there's a light. And when I switch it off, it goes out. The power is in here. It puts the power is in here, and it projects to here, and that is making the light come on. But when you switch it off, the light goes down, and then it's gone. You've broken it. But not in real life, you've just broken the power. It doesn't move. But there are 100 videos left on this. And this is only the first. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you want to see it. No, comment below if you like it. If you like that thing. If you like Project 1. Ray! Bye!